From Silicon Valley to wheat fields across the world, technology is transforming agriculture faster than ever before. You're about to discover the top 60 luxury agricultural machines and smart tools. Rain or shine, the Rider 1 onion harvester performs with power and grace. Its 40-inch picker and 16 roller table ensure over 95% trimming efficiency, handling up to 40 tons per hour. Smooth controls from the cab, smart folding, and a reach to the second row of boxes. It's built for speed, quality, and serious harvest results. The Cross Hedger from Toro Incorporated is a fast, efficient tree trimming machine made for orchards and vineyards. It features sharp cutting blades and a cross-edge design that trims both sides of the tree at once, ensuring clean, accurate cuts and boosting productivity during pruning seasons. The Gregoire G3.250 doesn't just harvest, it dances through vineyards, with surgical precision and mechanical grace. Its articulated frame hugs every curve of the terrain, while the arc-picking head gently coaxes each grape from the vine, like a whispered promise of wine to come. With low compaction tires and a smart hydraulic system, this compact powerhouse treats your rows with care and your yield with respect. Efficiency meets elegance in a harvest symphony, only the G3.250 can conduct. Meet the Jagoda 300, your new berry-picking bestie. Built for blueberries, this machine glides through rows with a gentle touch and serious speed. With one press of a button, it harvests clean, unbruised fruit like magic. Fast, efficient, and easy to use, it turns berry season into a breeze. The Komptech Topturn X is a compact compost windrow turner designed for small to medium operations. It delivers powerful turning and aeration, speeding up decomposition. With its heavy-duty drum and robust engine, it's ideal for handling large volumes of compost efficiently. The PR2500 takes the pain out of plastic mulch removal. It lifts, separates, and packs plastic into tidy bales, all in one pass. Whether you're clearing fields in spring or fall, this machine saves time and labor, while keeping your rows clean and ready. It's tidy, efficient, and tough on trash. The Kuhn SW bale wrapper is a high-tech machine, built for wrapping round bales. It features a user-friendly control system and a durable wrapping arm that ensures tight, weather-resistant coverage. This machine helps preserve hay quality and reduces spoilage, making it a reliable tool for any baling operation.
The TM1210 and TM1410 trail mowers are built for big fields and bigger results. With cutting widths of 17.7 and 20.8 feet, they cover serious ground fast, yet fold down to just 9.8 feet for easy transport.
Their clean cutting design leaves nothing behind, but perfectly even swaths.
Maximum productivity, minimal hassle.
Meet the Ero Grapeline 7200, where German engineering meets vineyard elegance. This powerhouse rolls through the vines with grace. Its high-performance harvesting head and self-leveling suspension ensure a smooth ride, even on tricky slopes. Inside, the operator enjoys a quiet, while outside, the machine works tirelessly clean, fast, and efficient. The Grapeline 7200 doesn't just harvest grapes, it elevates the entire experience into a masterclass of innovation and finesse.
The John Deere S770 is a field legend. With 450 HP and a cutting-edge cleaning system, it crushes harvest season with unmatched efficiency. Pair it with a 30-foot JPS Sunlight Horizon header, and it becomes a sunflower slicing symphony. Power, precision, and a clean cut every time. This is farming at its finest.
The Moritz crawler track from Pfanzelt combines crawler track mobility with a dual-blade mowing system.
It's built for rough, uneven terrain where traditional mowers can't go.
This machine ensures reliable and eco-friendly vegetation management, especially in forests or on steep slopes. The Wholestalk cane harvester makes sugarcane season feel like a breeze. With an 8-foot reach and the ability to cover up to 3 acres per hour, it slices and stacks clean, uniform stalks every time. Its high-performance cutting and cleaning system turns a tough job into smooth, efficient harvesting, leaving nothing behind but neat rows and sweet success.
The Marcrest Swing Max is an innovative hay handling system that boosts productivity. It lets farmers produce twice the amount of mini bales using one less tractor and operator. With its simple design and impressive output, it cuts labor and fuel costs while making hay collection fast and efficient. The Valtra N123 is a mid-size tractor with serious muscle. Designed for versatility, it's perfect for plowing, planting, or hauling on flat fields or steep slopes. With ergonomic controls and a comfortable cab, it works as hard as you do, without wearing you down. Smart, strong, and built to perform all year long. Trackless Vehicles offers the Buffalo Turbine Cyclone PTO debris blower. As the first turbine-style PTO-driven blower, it features a direct-drive gearbox for low maintenance and high performance. Its powerful air output and adjustable nozzle make it perfect for clearing debris in parks, streets, and lots. The Challenger MT765E blends raw strength with smooth control.
This Trac tractor puts 350 HP to work, gripping the ground with max traction. It's perfect for heavy tillage and planting in tough fields. With its advanced cabin suspension, long days feel short. This isn't just a workhorse. It's a field-dominating beast. The Magnum ACV from Case IH is a fully autonomous tractor powered by a 370 horsepower, 6-cylinder engine. It requires no driver, making it perfect for the future of farming, where machines handle tasks like plowing, seeding, and harvesting. With advanced tech and powerful performance, it boosts productivity while reducing labor costs in the field.
Pellenc Ekidna, the nimble grape harvesting marvel that's redefining efficiency in the vineyard. Compact yet powerful, this machine glides between vines with surgical precision, gently collecting grapes without missing a beat. Its advanced shaking system ensures maximum yield, with minimal damage, while its smart design makes cleanup and maintenance a breeze. The Ekidna doesn't just harvest, it elevates your entire winemaking process. Köppl machines are compact, tough, and ready for action.
Whether you're mowing, tilling, or clearing snow, their multifunctional design fits tight spaces and rough terrain. Built in Germany, they're made to last and adapt with quick-swap tools.
For small farms and serious gardeners, Köppl brings pro-level performance to every job.
The Flexi-Coil 3850 is a reliable air drill, designed for precise seed placement. It maintains consistent depth and spacing, even with varying seed sizes and weights. Its advanced metering system ensures even distribution, helping farmers achieve uniform crops and improved yields across different soil conditions.
The Valentini Navajo 1800 is a root crushing machine.
With a 6-foot wide, 39-tooth cutter, it shreds plants on the first pass and goes deep with the second.
Tough roots? No problem. It's built to dig 12 to 14 inches down and pulverize everything in its path. If your soil needs a serious reset, the Navajo 1800 is your answer. The GSSX DA is a high-performance agricultural machine, built for tough fieldwork. It features a durable frame and advanced drivetrain that ensures reliable operation even in rough terrain. Designed for efficient soil preparation, it delivers consistent results, while minimizing fuel use and maintenance. The Zurn D62-SF is all about flexibility.
Pair it with a John Deere tractor, and you've got a lightweight, self-propelled seeding system. With 4WD, idle speed operation, and endless customization options, it handles varied terrain and crop types with ease.
It's lean, mean, and built for precision planting.
The Stevia mower harvester is built for efficient stevia plant harvesting. It cuts the plants at the base with sharp blades, and lifts them via a conveyor into a storage bunker. This system speeds up the harvest process, while preserving plant quality, ideal for large-scale stevia production. The Ditch Witch SK3000 is a compact powerhouse, for serious earth moving. Built for strength and precision, it rips through tough soil, levels terrain, and hauls heavy loads, without breaking a sweat. Comfortable controls, serious hydraulic muscle, and rugged design make it a job site favorite.
Did you enjoy this video? Don't forget to subscribe now so you won't miss out on more awesome content. Leave a comment below to share your thoughts, feedback, or just say hi. Hit like and share if you enjoyed it. Thank you for your amazing support.